we have the catch can mounted on the ABS module. It's nice and secure, solid. We have the two lines running through the back of the firewall here, or behind the motor itself, some zip ties, and we have the setup right here, the inline in from the catch can going inside the PCV, and the out from the catch can going inside back into the intake. So cable ties, fittings, the oil catch can, and some rubber hoses to do the install. Okay, so looking at a spot where to install the catch can, I really couldn't find anything, a good place for it, I should say. So what I ended up doing, I found a bracket here. It's actually the support for the ABS module, and this little bracket on the side, if the camera will pick it up, has two holes inside the bracket. And when I was trying to line this up on there, it actually fits in one of the holes, and it would pretty much look something like that. So all we have to do is just get a nut behind it and tighten it, and it should look something like that. Okay, so I have a screw in the back of the bracket that comes with the catch can. So I put one in there, and the kit actually came with a nut. So again, what I'm gonna do is just loosen up the bracket here just to create a little bit of access, line up the catch can with the hole that's there, and put the nut right behind it and tighten it all the way down. Now loosen this 10 millimeter. Okay, so get that removed. The reason I did that is because I just want to pry it apart a little bit just to create some access. I think that'll do. Just because it's a little tight back there, I'm going to grab the catch can. Actually, would be a good idea to install the fittings now. Here's the fittings. Make sure you install the O-rings at the end, to prevent any leaks. So since we have the catch can out here with us, just put this one and this one on there. Okay, you can tighten that with a wrench later on, but this is the idea. So I'm gonna go right here and line it up with the hole. But I get a flathead, push that in there. I'm gonna grab the nut and go right behind the little bracket. And it's a tight fit, but get rid of the watch here. It's a tight fit, but it'll work. Release this. Put the 10 millimeter back. You don't need this anymore. Just put the 10 back here. Okay. Okie dokie. The ABS module is on rubber mounts, so in case it does vibrate, should be okay. And this is pretty solid, as you can see. Okay, with the catch can already installed, I'm going to proceed to install one of these clear hoses. Picked up this hose. It's 1/2 inch outside diameter and 3/8 inside. And the specs are 45 psi and 70 degree Fahrenheit. So we're going to see how this performs for a catch can. But for now, I'm going to install it. If I need to replace it down the line, I will. Just guess it's just it'd be cool to see what goes through the hose as far as any vapors, oils, or whatever. So I'm gonna connect it to the in port on the catch can, and I'm going to grab a clamp. It's gonna be a tight fit, but that's what you want. That's in there pretty good. Grab the clamp. Okay. Now we're gonna run it with the power steering line. Okay, now I'm gonna remove, this is where we want to connect the PCV hose. Actually, I'm gonna disconnect this here and disconnect that, so we have the line itself, and that's where we want to connect the hose. Grab another clamp. Okay, put it inside our hose. Okay. We're gonna grab the grommet here and just put it back where it was, like so. Okay. Now we're gonna grab the fitting, and with the O-ring back there, and then just screw it in. There we go. So it wants to catch. I'm gonna connect the other hose. This hose, but I need a clamp. Up here. Okay, I'm gonna grab some zip ties and I'm going to tighten these down. Okay, like so. So they're kind of a bit away from the heat. That should do it there. Okay. Let's not forget to connect the PCV to the outlet here. I mean the inlet to the PCB on the block. We'll just put this clamp here. So that's what we have. We have the catch can mounted on the ABS module. It's nice and secure, solid. We have the two lines running through the back of the firewall here, or behind the motor itself, some zip ties, and we have the setup right here, the inline in from the catch can going inside the PCV, and the out from the catch can going inside back into the intake. So that's what we have going on. Turn on the car and see if we see anything.